back to my channel where we're going to go over the most predictable and profitable strategy that I have ever created in my entire trading career, and I've been doing this for 3 years. All right, so check out the image on the left. This is called the golden setup, and these are the 10 steps. We have written it down, we're broken it down, and I'm going to show you live on the charts exactly what this setup looks like, and then you can go and implement it yourself on the charts. Okay, and you can trade whatever asset that you want. I personally use currencies. So now there's only 9 steps on here because unfortunately one of them is duplicated, but we are in a downtrend. We are below the 55 SMA, cross of our moving averages, break of local low, break of support, and then we have an extreme moving average kink. That moving average is inside all 3 candles at a 45-degree angle. CCI is down and Williams is up. That is it. This is profitable. Go find it in the charts and let's check it out live what this looks like. Anything that is above the 55, that's this white one right here. We're not looking for anything above the 55. So you can see that this is actually the golden setup right here, and I am late on it. So I think I might, oh no, we actually got it. So let's go check this out. Let's get this. All right. This looks nice right here. Why? Because we're below the CCI, we're below the Williams, and now we're hitting a bit of resistance. Let's see where this is going. Now I did double trade on this because I knew that it was going to go down and then pop right back up.